Rachel, and today I'm back with another plan with me in my print Pression weeks. This time we've got the pumpkin spice kit from Happy Sherpa Papery. This is a mini kit, and I did pick this up last year, but I do know that it's still available in the shop. So we have got the same format as usual in the Happy Sherpa Papery mini kits. We've got the 8 full boxes, which are beautiful hand-drawn images. We have got the checklist and the date cover, the headers, sorry. We've got some more headers, some bilges and some functional. We have got checklists, functional boxes and some trackers as well. Now, the only thing that's missing from this kit that I can tell at the moment is some washi. And I have pulled this washi card. I can't remember where I got this. I'm pretty sure that I was gifted it in Happy Mail. I'm not sure who from. And I found this, which I think is a Pack-a-Post washi. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't know if you can see the colours are perfect. But it is silver foil, and I don't know whether or not this kit... I think this kit should be rose gold foil. So I might go back into my washi collection and see if I can find a better one. But we'll see. We'll see what I decide to do. We'll see how I feel. So yeah, I am a little bit late again planning this. It's the Thursday today. And I do usually like to have this done as forward planning. But without repeating myself, I've had a bit of stuff going on at home with the house, and I found it hard to find the time to plan. We are getting to the end of this book now, and I'm quite pleased. I'm almost ready to set up my PP weeks for next year. She's very chunky, as you know. I'll just show you how last week turned out. That was the freebie kit from the Pink Panda sale from Josephine Bow Designs, and I really like how that turned out. Date covers as well we're going to need for this kit, aren't we? Why did I not realise that? That's no big deal. I have lots. Right, so let's do that then. Let's find some date covers. I was trying to be all organised and get my bits and pieces sorted before I started filming, but that's gone out the window. No. So we need either a nice bluey or a peachy. That colour would go on the end there, wouldn't it? So we'll put that out as a maybe. I broke my nail and I'm struggling to pick things up. Oh, they would go as well, wouldn't they? Those are from Josephine Bow Designs. Oh, no, I don't want holographic foil. So what do we think? They're a very, very similar colour. I do think the lighter ones, actually. We'll go with the lighter ones. So these are from Happy Sherpa Papery as well. I've cut them down because there was an empty bit on the end there, so I can't tell you what the colourway was, but you'll find all of these on the shop, or in the Etsy shop, should I say. So how is everyone today? How are you all doing? Thank you so much for the love on my collab video yesterday with Caroline, with Princess Honey. Funny story though about that video. So we obviously arranged to do that video a while ago because you have to prep for it, and we needed to make sure that we had the same kit and all of that stuff. So we decided, oh, these are a little bit bigger than the boxes. Doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. Yeah, so we decided a few weeks ago when we were going to do it, what we're going to put it up. So Caroline likes to put up her rings videos on a Wednesday, and I don't really have a set day. I tend to do my social media planner on a Monday when I'm organised, obviously not today. But for the most part, I just do what I do in every aspect of my life, and I just wing it, and whatever happens, happens. So I was more than happy to go with the schedule that she wanted to go with. So when she said Wednesday, I was like, right, yeah, cool. So Wednesday, sorry, no, did I say Wednesday the 19th? Yeah, Wednesday the 19th, I said. And she's like, yeah, Wednesday the 19th. So I was like, right, cool. So I wrote it on my little piece of paper in my section in my planner for where I do my collabs. And I filmed my video and I scheduled it for the 19th at 3 PM. And then yesterday I noticed I was getting a couple of more subs than I would have done. And I didn't really think anything of it. I've put a few videos up after a little break, so I thought a few new people had found me. And then I had 10 minutes and I thought I'm just going to skip on YouTube and see what videos people have up. And Caroline's video was up. And I was like, oh no, oh no. I was like, what is she doing? It's not the 19th today. And then when I looked, it was me. It was completely my fault. It was not her fault. slightly her fault for trusting what I said, but it was me. I'd said so Wednesday the 19th then, and it wasn't Wednesday the 19th, it was Wednesday the 18th. Today is the 19th. And it had been up for maybe 2 hours, and I had to message her because she must have been like, oh my God, Rachel is absolutely rubbish. Where is her video? I was like, I'm really sorry, my bad. So yeah, that was quite funny. No harm done. We got there in the end and we just laughed. I was like, so, lesson learned, don't listen to anything that Rach says. Check everything. Because I clearly can't be trusted. I'm rubbish. So I've put my to-do header down. You get quite a few headers in this kit, which is quite nice. You get enough to be able to put one for every day, which I really do like. Because you've got the 7 todays, and if you include these 6 and that one, you've got the 7 to-dos as well. Obviously, I don't need that many, but if you were, because this is a social media planner, but this spread would work for whatever you were doing. If you use this as your forward planner or a bit of a memory planner, you wouldn't want the to-dos, but you do the today. So yeah, I really like these kits, and I like the fact that you get 8 full boxes as well. I definitely won't use 8 full boxes in here. It would take up most of the space. What I'll probably do is maybe use 3 or 4 of them, and then I've got 3 or 4 of them left for another spread, which is really nice. So I'm just looking for the trackers. I need to put the trackers down. I've not been too bad with my social media content this week. I have managed to get, or I will have when I upload this video, I've managed to get 3 videos up this week, and I've got another one as well. I want to do my Hobonichi Weeks plan with me. That needs to well, it needs to be filmed after this video, to be honest, which I'm trying and do. Hoping to have a little nana nap today though, guys. I'll let you know that. I'm tired. I was tired yesterday, really tired yesterday, and although I slept well last night, you know what I mean, sometimes you sleep well and it makes you more tired. So my kiddie winkers are at school and Chris is at work. I'm going to put do not disturb on my phone just in case one of the schools rings in an emergency. So that just lets, I've got it set so that only certain people can phone me and it will ring. Any others it just won't ring. So I have the schools and Chris and my mum and my nan, just in case there's any kind of an emergency. But yeah, a nana nap shall be had today. And then hopefully when I wake up, I'll be feeling like I'm winning. Yeah, that's going to be something to look forward to. Right, so we have got we've got the sidebar done. Let's move on to Monday. I am going to put my first bit of decoration down, and I've been itching to get this one down here, which says pumpkin spice and everything nice. I'm going to pop that down. I'm actually pretty sure now that I'm thinking about it that I've got this kit in a full size kit as well, and I've definitely had it in Hobonichi Weeks. If you check back on my channel at my plan with me's, I'm pretty sure that you will find a Hobonichi Weeks from last year, probably not from this year, but you'll find a Hobonichi Weeks spread with this kit. It's just gorgeous. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Now I think I filmed a video on Monday. I'm pretty sure that it was a plan with me as well, so I'm going to put down, I'm not going to do that colour actually because we'll be doing a bit of colour blocking and I don't want to do that. I'm going to put this one down. I can just write the name of that video in there. Like so. On Tuesday I took some pictures for my Instagram, so I'm going to note that down on there. And then I don't think, did I put a post up on Tuesday? I'm trying to remember what post have I put up this week. I don't think I did. So what I'm going to do then is I'm going to chop down one of these decoration boxes and I'm just going to make a smaller box to fill up that space. I've got my slice tool that I got from Amazon. You've all seen that before. If I just quite roughly, I need it to be straight, but if I line that up with that there, then I can use that line there to make sure I'm straight, can't I? I'm going to do this and it's absolutely not going to be straight. But you wouldn't expect anything less from me, would you? Let's be honest. Some kind of planning disaster. Who can tell me the last video that I did where I didn't have a planning disaster? Because I certainly can't remember. Not too bad, not too bad. I can live with that. Right, so move on to Wednesday. Wednesday was my collab with Caroline. I definitely want to mark that. I had so much fun filming that video, and I watched Caroline's video last night. The link is in the description to my last video, or you can find her on YouTube. She's Princess Honey. Yeah, I watched her video. She did hers as forward planning in some daily pages, and it worked out really nicely. So yeah, do go and watch that if you have the time. It was a very good video. I'm going to put a checklist down. I'm not sure if I'm going to write anything on it. It might literally just be to fill that space up, but I don't mind. I don't like having a blank space. And then moving on to today, we can mark down that we are filming this video. I keep finding myself drawn to the boxes that have got the floral on. I just think it is so, so stunning. It really is gorgeous. Instantly as well, I'm looking at that and I want to use that box. I'm putting that box down on a Saturday because I want to make sure that I get that box used. So yeah, how are you guys? How are you all doing? I'm not doing too bad. Not too bad at all. Bit tired, like I said, but feeling quite chipper, which is nice. I just need a quarter box to fill that space there, and then I can just put anything little on that I end up doing on Saturday. It won't be a video, I don't think. It'll probably just be a Instagram post. Oh my goodness, have I been that far off the camera all this time? I'm so sorry, guys. I hope you could actually see what I was doing. I guess we'll decide at editing whether or not this video gets uploaded. Oh, dear me, dear me. Right, so today we need to put down a box to say that we are filming this video. So we're going to use that one. And then I just want to, I could use this actually. This will be a film, edit and upload, wouldn't it? We need 3. And we've got 3 little hearts on here. So we've got a film, edit and upload. And then tomorrow as well. Tomorrow I'm hoping to film, do I dare to say it? I'm hoping to film a Hobonichi setup video. I think I've got everything now. I just was waiting for a couple more things to come in the post that I realised that I needed. And I've got a big box now full of stuff. You saw me on Instagram stories, I think, if you watched. Just prepping the video with all the bits and pieces that I needed. I think I've got everything now, so I could possibly film that tomorrow. So we can put that down there like that. And then on Sunday, we've got my Fab Planner Prints PR post. And again, I'm going to go off for one of these beautiful floral boxes. That's too similar of a colour. So I'm going to put that one back. And I'm going to use this one. Just makes it stand out a bit more. And then I'm going to do what I usually do at the end of the week, and I pop up a checklist just to put any of next week's to-dos on. I felt like I was going to sneeze then. It didn't come out. That was really weird. My nose is still a bit sore. I'll give you a warning, dramatic alert. I'm being dramatic. It's not that bad. But I swear, if I said it had damage to my nose, I would absolutely be being hella dramatic. But having that COVID test, I keep wanting to sneeze, and it was, so today is Thursday, and I had it on, was it Tuesday night? Tuesday night. I think, if you didn't catch me with the video, I don't think I've got COVID. I'm not symptomatic or anything like that. I got contacted by the NHS by a letter. A lot of people have as well. It's nothing special. I think it's just random patients selected at certain GPs. I just got asked if I would take part in some research and if I would have a COVID test, and I said no bother. I think it's for a vaccine and just to see if certain age groups or areas or weights or health condition people or whatever, anything like that, are being affected more. So yeah, I don't think I'm positive at all. I'm pretty confident that it's going to come back as negative. Just looking for some date dots. It would help if I knew what the dates were though. 16th, right. But yeah, I think it traumatized me. It hurts, and my nose keeps feeling really sneezy. I don't know if it's just me. Has anybody else had a COVID test and then you've just felt like you keep wanting to sneeze for days and days afterwards? Now you see, I've made a decision here to put down this rose gold, and that is not rose gold. So I think I am going to have to find some more washi. Let's get these dates jotted down. Let's have a look through my washi collection and we'll make a decision. I actually don't mind mixing metals. You know that. Some people don't like it. Some people do. Yeah, and I don't mind it at all, mixing metals. But I just feel like because these date dots are very, very rose gold, maybe it would be a bit much. In hindsight, I should have maybe picked the black ones, but I was chatting at the time and I just picked up the first thing that I saw that was rose gold. So yeah, I mean, yeah, I am fine. Chris was really good as well. He was, like I said, he has administered a few of them at work to his colleagues. So he knew what he was doing. He was very patient with me. I'm telling you now, if someone had been gagging in my face the way that I was in his, I would have been running. I don't know how that boy stood there because I definitely looked like I was going to vomit on him. But yeah, right. So yeah, I really like how this has turned out so far. I'm going to have a quick look in my washi box and see if I've got anything else that will complement this kit. I mean, we could just go full on rose gold at the bottom. What do you think about that? I think that's what we're going to do. I think that's what we're going to do because that solves the problem of needing to find the correct colours in the kit, doesn't it? That washi is absolutely beautiful. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it does have pretty much all the colours in the kit. You can see it's got sort of the beiges, it's got the orange, it's got the nice blue. But yeah, I'm sure as well that that's a pack a post. I'm not sure. I think it's pack a post. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry. But yeah, I think we'll just go with this. This was just literally a cheap washi that I put in my basket on Etsy to make an order up to get a freebie for a sale. It was like £1. I can't even remember what shop it was from. But if you search rose gold washi on Etsy, I've seen it come up in quite a few shops. So yeah, it's very, very, very sparkly and I love it. So we will just get that cut. So yeah, I'm excited to move into my next print pression. I haven't decided what I'm going to do about that cover. If you watched my print pression haul, was it? Which video was it? Which video was it where I couldn't get that cover in? No, it was the Motum unboxing, wasn't it? If you've watched the Motum unboxing and saw what happened with the Luxe cover, long story short, it is bigger than this cover. This cover is also an official print pression cover, but this is the clear one. The Luxe one, I bought the Fox and Pip Luxe one and it seemed to be a little bit bigger and it wouldn't fit in the leather cover, my Motum. It wouldn't fit in here either actually. So I'm not decided what to do. I know that I can easily fix it with a little bit of surgery on the back. I can slice the top and the bottom bit off and it'll fit in. But A, that means that I have destroyed it in case I ever wanted to sell it. And B, I'd need to figure out whether or not it would be too tall here and stick out at the front. So yeah, I need to figure that out. But anyway, that is a dilemma for a different day. Right, I am going to go off and to fill this in and I will be back in just a second. Okay, so I am back and this is how this has turned out so far. Today is the Thursday, as you can see. This is the video that I'm filming right now. So the end of the week is not filled in too much. Can't remember what the video was that I uploaded on Monday and I am using my phone to film, but I will fill that in. Really like how this turns out. I think I'm glad that I made the decision to go with the rose gold washi. It's beautiful, that washi. And like I said, I found that for £1 on Etsy. Yeah, and they are date dots that I bought in a D-stash. So I've got quite a bit left on these kits. You know how much I love these kits. I think they're about £5. You can use my discount code as well, which is Rachel16 with Happy Sherpa Papery. And I have got more than enough stickers left to get another spread out of. So yeah, really, really happy with how that turned out. If you like this video, if you could give me a thumbs up, and if you subscribe, I'll love you forever and I'll see you soon. Bye.